Hello YouTube, the items found back here again. Today I'm going to be I'm at my grandmother's deck right now, but today I'm going to be unboxing this wireless charging stand. It's going to go on my nightstand for my phone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. So that'll be neat. So without further ado, let's get this package open. Sorry my tripod is visible. This isn't a great tripod. Okay. Well, sorry for the dog barking in the background, but I guess I'm going to continue trying to get this package open, and then I'll back here once that's just like this. But let's go ahead and move on. Here we've got the actual stand itself, so let's just go ahead and unwrap this. The brand I believe is Horizon. So I'm just going to unwrap this. And then there we go. This is apparently the actual station. This isn't one that provides some chargers. So, thanks for watching and peace out.